Okay, girl, don't throw those bananas away just yet. Today, we are going to make some banana bread. So, I got this recipe off Google somewhere, and if you know me, I suck at baking. So, we're just going to dump everything in a bowl, mix it together, and bake it, okay? Okay, at this point, you're gonna add in whatever extra ingredients you want. I'm gonna add some cinnamon, I don't know how much, and some chocolate chips. I love chocolate chips, so I'm definitely gonna pour the whole bag in. Okay, put this mug in the oven at 350 degrees. I don't really know how long. Just keep checking it. Take a toothpick, insert the toothpick. When it come out clean, it's good. The results turned out pretty good. I don't really know what banana bread is supposed to taste like because I've never had it before. But it looks good and it tasted pretty good. It wasn't too bad. We are at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. As you can see, these things look so good. I hope you try them. Let me know in the comments. I love you. See you next video.